Hi everyone, this is Manoj and today I will explain about how to develop and design animated download button using HTML, CSS and JavaScript.
Looks interesting, bro. Can you show the demo, please?
Sure, so let's see the demo first.
Awesome animation. How did you do this?
Okay, let me explain it in high level. Later I will start to develop this, okay? So in the HTML file, I will create one button. Let me name it as download. And using CSS, I will design this button. And handy click event and the animation thing we are doing with the help of JavaScript.
You told JavaScript. I'm beginning to all this. Do we need more JavaScript here?
Don't worry, I will explain everything, thinking that you are beginner to JavaScript. So initially we have to create HTML and CSS file. I've added source code of HTML and CSS in the description. So please download the source code from the description so that in this video I'll explain and code JavaScript only. So let's start without further delay.
DOM content loaded event on the document object, which signifies that the initial HTML document has been completely loaded. I can write function like this, or I can use normal braces as well. Here, the code checks if the clicked element, that is tar, has an attribute called data_dl. The two variables are declared here. Last span represents the last span child of the clicked element, and last span text stores its original text content. The timeout variable is assigned the duration of the animation. The class DL-working is added to the clicked element to initiate the download animation. The text content of the last span child is changed to downloading to reflect the ongoing process, and the button is disabled to prevent multiple clicks during the animation and retrieve dynamically using the function called getMS from the property. function named getMsProperty which takes two parameters. One is property representing a CSS property name and another one is selector representing a CSS selector. Inside getMsProperty function, it retries the computed style of an element matched by the provider selector. And gets the value of the specified CSS property. It then looks for a function of ms, which is nothing but milliseconds. And s, nothing but seconds. Depending on the whether the value contains ms or s, the function returns either the substring before the label or substring before the label multiplied by 1000. The function thus dynamically retries the duration of animation in milliseconds based on the CSS custom property value. Finally, we are done with the JavaScript. Now everything looks good. Hope you really liked the video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.